A new report card based on promises made for the immediate future of transit was released today. The TTC Riders asked questions of the candidates running for mayor before the upcoming election, and the man running for a third term in that office didn't exactly do well.
What will the future mayor of Toronto do to rebuild transit ridership, protect the TTC from service cuts, and increase service all across the city?
That was the basis for the TTC Riders advocacy group, putting together its mayoral transit promises tracker ahead of next month's municipal election. A series of 28 questions to each of the candidates for Toronto's top office, specific to issues immediately facing transit service.
We're asking all candidates, will they commit to installing 10 more bus and streetcar lanes in the next term of council? It's something that can be installed really quickly. It's effective at speeding up our trips. We're also asking candidates if they'll increase TTC service and fund lower fares.
10 mayoral candidates answered the group's survey, and according to the group, John Tory did offer a written response, but did not answer the questions directly, resulting in the lowest score. With regard to this report card, what can you do to improve service in the short term?
My main focus, I can tell you right now, is going to be on taking the $28 billion plan we have and making sure it gets implemented. I mean, time after time over decades in the city, we've had plans that have been put together, and then because a government changed or a mayor changed or somebody changed their mind, nothing got done.
The survey was based on 4 key promises: building more bus and streetcar lanes, implementing lower fares, adding TTC funding, and offering a solution when the Scarborough RT stops next year. Candidate Gil Penalosa answered yes to each of the questions before announcing his fast lane transit plan on Wednesday, a network of bus-only lanes through the city.
We are going to connect with the subways, with the LRTs, so that citizens all over the city will be able to have public transit that is fast, that is efficient, and that is connected.
Tory pointed to examples of improvements on his watch, including rapid TO bus-only lanes along Eglinton and Scarborough, free fares for children, and 2-hour transfers. The TTC Riders say it's not about the record, but what's still to be done.
We think that the King Street Transitway, the Eglinton East bus lane, those are good steps, but we haven't heard a vision for the future, and we've asked all candidates the exact same 28 questions, and it's all focused on the future.
The TTC Riders won't necessarily endorse anyone, but did make a point of saying there's still plenty of time for each of the mayoral candidates to answer or clarify their answers if they want to change their score.